Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I will teach you how to solve one of the common errors with applications when they close or show a failed message. For those who don't know what I'm referring to, I will show you an example with one of the native applications, Netflix. After launching the application, if it closes or shows an error message, we need to close it or choose any other type of option. We will then execute the application again to see if it closes or shows the error message again. As we can see here, the error message appears, and I don't have any other option but to close it or access the app information. To solve this error, we need to access the app information, which we can do from the same app by keeping the home page or entering settings and applications within Android. This may vary depending on the Android version you have, but if it doesn't say apps, it should say applications. Once inside, we look for the recently opened list, and if the app is not there, we won't see any more applications. Once we find the application we want to repair, we need to force stop it and then go to the storage space section. Here, we need to tap on Clear Cache and free up storage space. After this, we check our phone, and once it turns on, we try to enter the application. If it's an app that requires some sort of login or similar, we just enter our credentials and wait. While we wait, I take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe and like this video in case it helps you. As I mentioned before, in this case, it will ask me to set up my profile again. Once I enter my profile, I will ask for the corresponding permission, and with that, I can enjoy the application that constantly closed on me. In case this method doesn't work for you, the other option I recommend is to uninstall the application, restart the phone, and download the application again from the server where you acquired it. After that, you shouldn't have any problems executing the application without conflicts. I hope you liked this video, and if it helped you, don't forget to share it and subscribe to stay tuned for the next videos that I will be uploading soon. That's all for today. I am Sebas from Balmatech. See you.